When it comes to obtaining asphalt needed for the job, asphalt contractors have a number of options available, including buying it from an external supplier or producing it themselves. So why should an asphalt contractor consider producing their own asphalt? Well, before we begin, we want to quickly thank the sponsor for the video, Heavy Ape. You want to learn to bid like a pro and build a construction business that generates millions per year? Visit heavyape.com. Now back to the video. One of the main advantages of producing your own asphalt is the potential of cost savings. When you purchase asphalt from an external supplier, you're paying not only for the raw material and labor that go into making the asphalt, but also the transportation cost associated with delivering the product to your job site. In addition, the clever asphalt contractor makes sure to negotiate a better price for raw material because they're buying in bulk. Another benefit of producing your own asphalt is improved quality control. When you're in control of the entire production process, from sourcing the raw material to mixing and delivering the final product, you can ensure the asphalt used meets your standards for quality and consistency. Now, this is especially important for contractors who work on large-scale projects or in areas where the quality of the asphalt can have a significant impact on the longevity and durability of that finished surface. Improved project scheduling is another advantage of producing your own asphalt. When you produce asphalt from an external supplier, you may be at the mercy of their delivery schedule, which can be impacted by factors like equipment breakdowns, weather conditions, as well as any other unexpected events. By producing your own asphalt, you can guarantee that you always have a consistent supply of material you need, which is essential to stay on track and complete jobs more efficiently. Well, do you like what you see so far? We'd really appreciate it if you'd like the video and subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you'll know whenever we drop a new video. Now, let's get back to the video. Reduced transportation cost is another benefit to producing your own asphalt. When you purchase asphalt from that external supplier, it's expected to pay for the cost of delivering the product to your job site. By producing your own asphalt, you can eliminate that transportation cost, which can be substantial for large jobs that are located a significant distance from that supplier. Increased product versatility. That's another reason why asphalt contractors should produce their own asphalt. When you're in control of the production process, you have the ability to customize the asphalt you produce to meet the specific needs of the project. Consider how you may need to produce different grades of asphalt to accommodate different types of surfaces or traffic conditions. And finally, producing your own asphalt can reduce your dependence on external suppliers, which can help you better manage cost and improve your ability to respond to changes in the market. When you rely on external suppliers, you're subject to fluctuations in the price of asphalt and the other raw materials, as well as changes in the availability of the product. By producing your own asphalt, you can reduce that exposure to these pitfalls and ensure you have a consistent supply of the material you need to complete your projects. Need an asphalt plant? Well, we recommend Asphalt Drum Mixers. You can reach them at 260-637-5729, or you can visit www.admasphaltplants.com. Well, that's all we have for now. And be sure and subscribe so you'll be notified whenever we release a new video guide.